So I have another kooky idea about making a mock Berliner Weiss using kombucha Scoby. And the last one I made the wort and just added the Scoby, and then added some tea into it, but nothing crazy. So what I did this time was I did a half batch. So 1 quart of boiling water, I added 8 grams of Chinese Pu'er tea, which is very earthy, very umami. When you make it into kombucha, it almost turns like a Werther's original type of caramel taste. And that was 8 grams of that and 2 grams of Kombucha Brooklyn's Holy Diver tea blend, which almost is like a chai tea type of taste to it. And I put that into my saucepan with a quart of water boiling, added the tea, let it steep for 30 minutes. Drained it through the sieve into another container, added half of a cup of white sugar to it. I didn't have my organic sugar. Usually I would add 1 cup if I was just making straight kombucha. I then mixed that up, added a few ice cubes into it to cool it down. In this unit, this vessel, I added 2 quarts of cold water and 10.5 ounces of light malt extract, dried malt extract. Whisked it up, that's why you see the foam on top. Dried malt extract foams up when you put it into cold water and you really aerate it. I did that, then added the tea and sugar mixture into here, and it came out to just around 80 degrees, 78, 80 degrees. I then took 1 cup of old kombucha. I had watermelon cherry kombucha that I added into here. And inside here is also the Scobies. As you can see, 2 healthy Scobies from last batch. I'm going to take the foam off the top, put my muslin or linen cover on top, put it above the fridge. Right now it's like 70, 72 degrees up there. Let it sit for 7 days. I have a 1052 starting gravity. So I'm going to put it up there. It won't drop that many points, but the acidity right now, when I just tested it right now, I'm sitting at around 4.5, 4.7 with my pH meter. I want to get down to about a 3.5, 3.7. And then I will boil it, add a little bit of hops to it, and then throw USO5 on it. So it's kind of like a Berliner Weiss or a kettle soured. It's something. I've made before with all grain and then strawberries, and it was actually really good. We'll see what happens next.